guys, I'm back with another video, and this time it's a nail video. So I'm gonna start off with the Macar base coat and just applying that on all of my nails evenly. Let me give you guys a little backstory on these. They're gonna be Valentines inspired nails, yay! To speed up the video, I went ahead and I added on the extensions using or doing the Gel X method. So I did that off of camera, or else it would have taken me forever to film and edit. But I'm gonna cure my nails now for about a minute. And there you have it. Next, I'm gonna use Perfect Match Le Cat nail polish. It's the one that comes with two, with the gel polish and then the regular like just nail lacquer thing. I'm using the shade or the color Pink Clarity, and it's a translucent color. I love this shade. It's so pretty. It's like a really soft pinkish reddish color. It took me forever to find the perfect base color for a French nail. The ones that we were getting were like either too white and they weren't working out. The lady at the nail store, she recommended this one and another shade that I also tried, but I like this one better. Okay, so after I cure that for a minute, I'm gonna add another layer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cure that as well. I follow a lot of nail people on Instagram, or they also just pop up on my explore page, and I try asking them like what's a good base color to buy, but nobody ever answered. So like I said, it was a struggle and it took me forever to find the perfect one, but we found one. Okay, so now that that's cured, I'm gonna go in with the D&D Black Licorice gel polish, and this one also came in a set with the gel polish and then the nail lacquer. I really don't know why they do that. I'm not planning on using the nail lacquer, but yeah, that's what we're using, Black Licorice, and I'm applying that on the tips very slowly because I'm not left-handed at all, but we're doing my best here. And here you see that I'm using a little skinny brush, and I use this to like define the lines, like the lines on the edges a little better. And now we go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. The little leg on my lamp broke, so I had to hold it up. Now I'm applying another layer, and as you could see, I did my thumb and I cured it before working on the rest of the fingers, because I find that if I do all of them before curing, the thumb kind of tends to spread. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong there, or that's just how it is, but I cure the thumb first and then I work on the rest of the fingers. Anyway, we moved on to the next fingers, and I used that little black brush to clean up the line. I find that helped me out a lot, getting a good French tip. And then we go ahead and cure, add another layer, do all the same steps. And here I am going back with the skinny brush, making sure the lines are nice and straight, nice and curved, and adding polish wherever I feel like I need it. And now once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and cure, and for the final step of the nails, I didn't show you guys, but I went ahead and I used Beetle's gel polish in 467, which is just a white. I used this toothpick to make the hearts on my nails. I put a top coat, I cured that, and that was that. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!